Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Paul and today we are going to dive into something that hits close to home for a lot of us solo adventurers out there. Filming while traveling alone. Now, if you ever tried to nail that perfect shot while also being your own cameraman, you know the struggle is very real. But fear not because I've got you covered. That is what we're going to talk about right now. Now let's kick things off with a common pain point. Trying to capture epic footage while also experiencing the moment. It's a balancing act, right? You want to document your journey, but also you want to be fully present in your adventures. So how do you strike the perfect balance? Well, tip number one, embrace the power of time lapses. Instead of constantly having your camera glued to your face while vlogging, set up a time lapse and let it do the work for you. This way you can soak into the sights and sounds around while you're still capturing jaw-dropping footage. Plus, time lapses add a dynamic element to your video that will keep your audience engaged from start to finish. This is what I did when I went to Japan recently. I just put my Pocket 3 on time-lapse mode and watched people go by in Shibuya district, and I got this epic footage that I was able to use in my travel video. When you are flying solo, it's easy to get stuck in a rut of shooting everything at eye level. But trust me, there's a whole new cinematic potential just waiting to be unlocked there. Try mounting your camera on unexpected surfaces or using a combination of high and low angles to add depth to your shots. Don't be afraid to get down on the ground or climb up high for that perfect perspective. It's all about just thinking outside of the box and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One of the biggest challenges of filming solo is standing out like a sore thumb in a crowd of locals. But fear not, because I got some trick up my sleeves. Take some time to observe the locals around you and mimic their behavior. Whether it's how they walk, talk, or interact with their surroundings, blending in will not only help you capture more authentic footage, but also it will make you feel like a true insider in your destination. When you're traveling solo, you don't always have a dedicated camera crew at your disposal. But that doesn't mean you can't get creative with your setup. Forget those fancy tripods and stabilizers. Sometimes all you need is a little ingenuity and some everyday objects to get the job done. Whether it's using a stack of books as a makeshift tripod or rigging up a DIY stabilizer using your belt, the possibilities are endless when you let your imagination run wild. And of course, don't forget to enjoy the journey. It's easy to get so caught up in capturing perfect shots that you forget to actually experience the moment for yourself. So, as you embark on your solo filming adventures, remember to put down the camera every once in a while and soak it all in. There you have it, guys. Some tips on filming while traveling solo. Now go out there, embrace the adventure, and capture memories that will last a lifetime. Now, if you want to know about storytelling and how to develop your stories, check out these videos right here so we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.